Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to take stock report location wise under the warehouse module in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into a Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the warehouse module. Here, we have to select the report WMS menu under the warehouse module. Then we have to select the stock report location wise menu. On this page, we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click on the submit button. Now we can view the stock report location wise details. This is how to take stock report location wise under the warehouse module in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.